The Lasko Wind Machine, air circulator floor fan, in its sleek white design, is a testament to Lasko's commitment to quality and innovation in the realm of electric fans. This contemporary floor fan, powered by corded electric, stands out with its practical dimensions of 7.19 inches in depth, 23.38 inches in width, and 25.38 inches in height. Whether it's for the bedroom, office, or home office, this fan offers versatility in its recommended room types, ensuring that you can enjoy its benefits in various settings. The manual controls make it easy to adjust settings to suit your needs, providing personalized comfort. One of the standout features of the Lasko Wind Machine air circulator floor fan is its quiet operation, emitting only 35 dB of noise. This makes it ideal for use in environments where noise levels need to be kept to a minimum, while still benefiting from cooling, ventilating, and air circulation. In conclusion, the Lasko Wind Machine air circulator floor fan combines functionality,